what do you want to say about the foundation Payal and cause she is connected with you?
It's actually wonderful that Payal, Payal has the power to connect with an audience and her customers. She's made a name for herself with a lot of hard work and perseverance. So when someone who has worked so hard comes together with someone who wants to make a difference, वो एक collaboration ऐसा बन जाता है कि it kind of leaves a mark. Plus, they're both working towards women empowerment. Everything that you see in this room today, all the sales that they make, the entire money goes into the foundation, and it goes to all the women who work towards it. जो बैग्स आप देख रहे हैं, जो कपड़े आप देख रहे हैं, ये सारे सिले गए हैं गुजरात के एक गांव में. ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं, नॉट एक गांव एक्चुअली, 52 विलेजेस इन गुजरात, जहाँ पे ये लोग अपनी क्लासेस रन करते हैं, स्टिचिंग, सूइंग, टेलरिंग की क्लासेस, एम्ब्रॉयडरी की क्लासेस. ये औरतों को सिखा रहे हैं ताकि वो सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बने और अपने काम को, अपनी लाइफ को आगे बढ़ा सकें. सो आई फील लाइक इट्स अ ग्रेट वे टू अप्रोच women empowerment की तरफ ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं, and I find myself very 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 fortunate to be a part of this.
So how you connected with this?
I have honestly, being an actor, we work with a lot of designers. We wear their outfits to our events, so that's how Payal and I have met. I'm honestly feeling very very floored that she asked me to be a part of this, because कई बार लगता है कि हम बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं लेकिन अपनी लाइफ में हम भूल जाते हैं कि दूसरों के लिए भी करना चाहिए. We sometimes are not able to make that kind of time. Sometimes we forget. It's human tendency. But it's stuff like this, it's times like these that remind you that there's a reason we're all born, and it's time to give back to the society.
And we really appreciate you all, like all the actors and actresses who are the public figure, वो काफ़ी inspired करते हैं, like कभी भी वो किसी social cause में जुड़ते हैं, काफ़ी inspired करते हैं. How does it feel कि आप उस चीज़ का part हो और आप किसी को inspired करो to be a part of social cause?
मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कितनी खुशी मिलती है. I mean, एक एक्टर बनना, एक स्टार बनना, एक तरह की recognition मिलना हमारा सपना रहता है. एक बार वो अचीव हो जाए तो आप सोचते हो अब आगे क्या, बट अब आगे क्या का जवाब ये है, क्योंकि अगर आप एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हो, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप दुनिया में किसी भी तरह का फ़र्क ला सकते हो, तो उससे एक अलग इंस्पिरेशन आपको खुद को मिलती है. तो इसमें हाँ, हमारे सेल्फिश रीजंस भी हैं, क्योंकि इट मेक्स यू फील बेटर अबाउट योर सेल्फ. इट मेक्स यू फील लाइक कि आपको जो मिल रहा है, यू डिज़र्व इट एंड यू वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स इट. एज़ फार एज़ आई एम कंसर्न, मैं एक बहुत ही सिंपल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मैं इंडस्ट्री से नहीं हूँ. मैं .1 से लेके अब जहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ, अपने आप से पहुँची हूँ, अपने बलबूते पे पहुँची हूँ. तो कई बार लगता है कि काश कोई होता जो मुझे भी लीड करता, लाइक कोई सपोर्ट करता है, कोई पाथ दिखाता. बट कभी कभी लगता है कि अच्छा हुआ कि वैसे नहीं था, क्योंकि जब आप इस पाथ को खुद क्रॉस करते हो तो आप ऐसी चीज़ें सीखते हो जो आपको लोग नहीं सिखा सकते. तो आई बिलीव जो मेरा पास्ट रहा है उसके वजह से जहाँ मैं आज हूँ उसका बहुत एक अलग ही मोल है मेरी लाइफ में. एंड आई बिलीव कि भगवान जी ने हम सबको इधर इसलिए भेजा है क्योंकि हम सबकी लाइफ का एक रीज़न होता है. And I feel like this is my reason to live. I want to do whatever I can for people around me as much as possible.
So if you want to start an foundation, which cause you will choose?
I think anxiety and depression is something that I believe is very big in today's day and age. जिस तरह की हमारी लाइफस्टाइल्स हैं, जिस तरह का प्रेशर है, जिस तरह की कंपटीशन है आजकल, even in our industry, it's a very very strong emotion to deal with. This is something that I want to help people overcome. Men, women, children, people in their old age, everyone. If there's anything I can do to put a smile on their faces, I want to do that.
Must say you're looking damn beautiful. I
Thank
know
you.
everyone has given the compliment.
Thank you, thanks so much.
And like we can connect you with the Payal's collection over here. So
Thank
if you
you.
can elaborate it.
Well, I'm wearing something that's full of flowers and birds today. I think for me, it's the way I look at it. The flowers represent that each one deserves to blossom, and the birds represent open your wings and fly. So I think it's true to the foundation and to Payal.
Best thing about Payal's collection, you feel?
It's lightweight, it's affordable, it's very very comfortable to wear, and you know it's got that girl next door vibe. It's got that very very chill vibe. So I don't like it like overdoing things. I can't wear very heavy stuff. I get very annoyed. But this is something that's very chic. very girly, yet it's got its traditional elements in its own way.
So, if your personal thought and what you feel, what's your like style statement?
I honestly don't have one particular style. I think everyone used to associate me with the girl next door vibe because that's something I'm very comfortable with. But I think I've always, I always think to myself, if I like what I'm wearing, if I look in the mirror and it makes me smile, then I'm going to walk out in it. I don't care what people think about it.
Amazing. Any further project we have seen you in?
I am working on a film with Rajkumar Rao. The working title is Shadi Mein Zarur Aana. That should release soon. I have Veere Ki Wedding that's under, we're still shooting. And Yamla Pagla Divana again. I've just started shooting that about 10-15 days ago.
Amazing. All the best.
Thank
Yeah, Roli.
So, what do you want to say about Payal and the foundation?
Well, this is such an incredible cause for the Desai Foundation. You know, I think it's an amazing way to empower women and educate women, and also give them opportunities, create opportunities. And I think for someone at Payal's level to have the foresight to tie up with a foundation that does something like this is just incredible. Her way of giving back, and that's really what Payal is all about. She's a very conscious designer. She thinks about people and how she can help and what she can do, what her bit is. So, I mean, obviously we will all come here and support it because it's such an incredible cause.
How you connected with this?
I mean, I'm one of Payal's closest friends, and you know, if she calls, we come, because we know that the things that she does are always for a great cause. And it's also a way for us to be able to give back and contribute. So, you know, we've come here, we've bought bags, we've put things on social media just to create awareness and allow people to understand what is happening and how they can help and how they can get involved.
So, if you started with the foundation, which cause you would choose?
You know, I think education is so huge. There are so many different causes that you can help with, but I think allowing someone the opportunity to learn in life is really important. How to create their own path, how to give them the tools to be able to function and manage on their own, be dependent. Because that's something my parents always taught me, even though I had things that most children maybe didn't. But it was important to know how to use those tools and how to become your own independent person and not depend on anybody else. And that's the message that I would want, not just women, but men, girls, boys, to know, to be able to do on their own, to have the knowledge and the tools to be able to do this kind of stuff on their own.
I must say you're looking damn pretty.
Thank you.
If you can elaborate what you're wearing.
So I'm wearing a Payal Singhal outfit, of course, palazzo pants, and this brocade top, which is beautiful.
So one thing best about Payal's collection.
Easy to wear, always beautiful prints and beautiful silhouettes, but she takes what you get on the runway and she makes it wearable, and she makes it for everyone. No matter what shape or size you are, no matter what color you are, no matter what your makeup is, you will look good in Payal Singhal because she caters to everybody. She caters to real people.
What's your style, Steve?
I don't have one. Mainly because I feel like I am always changing as a person. My moods are always changing, and I think that fashion is definitely about expression. So it's about how you feel. So I'll wake up one morning and I'll feel like I want to wear boys' clothes, you know, or I'll wake up and I'll feel like I want to wear a dress and feel very feminine, or I want to feel more grungy. So it's just about mood, you know. That's all it is. So no style statement, just whatever you wear, own it, feel comfortable.
So we have seen your pictures in Insta. Are you doing any photos or something like this?
I just finished one. It'll be out soon, maybe today, tomorrow.
And we can see Monica and you
Always
enjoying
together,
a lot.
yes.
And we have seen like videos and everything. So how it's going? Like,
It's going great. I mean, you know, she's my best friend. She's a huge supporter of this cause as well. She couldn't be here with us today, unfortunately. But this is something that she feels very strongly about. So I'm sure that she's here with us in spirit. But yeah, we're good. We're happy.
thank you so
Okay, thanks.
much. I will be nice.
ओके मैम, जिस तरीके से आपने वॉशरूम की बात की बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है। आप थोड़ा अटैर के बारे में बताइए कि क्या क्या पहना है आपने, इसके बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे।
मैंने पायल सिंघल पहना हुआ है और पायल सिंघल मेरी फेवरेट डिज़ाइनर है। मैं बहुत पसंद करती हूँ पायल के कपड़े पहनना, और आज ये जो इवेंट किया है पायल ने, ये देसाई फाउंडेशन के साथ किया हुआ है। ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा कॉज है। मैं कहूँगी सभी को आके जुड़ना चाहिए ऐसे कॉजेज़ के साथ, और ऐसे जो जितने भी NGOs हैं, मुझे लगता है अगर हम सब इवन दिन में मैं कहूँगी एक मिनट भी देना तो काफ़ी रहेगा।
So one
मैम,
thing
अगर फैशन
best.
की बात करें तो आपकी नज़र में फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है? आप क्या मानती हैं फैशन के बारे में?
मेरे हिसाब से फ़ैशन मतलब कंफर्ट। अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ में कंफर्टेबल हो, चाहे वो साड़ी हो, लहंगा हो, जो मैंने पहना है अभी ये हो, या इवन जीन्स या ड्रेसेस, अगर कंफर्ट लेवल हो तो आई थिंक यू आर सॉर्टेड।
ओके, कोई 3 टिप्स अगर आप आपके फैंस को अगर देना चाहें कि जो फैशन पर आधारित हो, फैशन के ऊपर।
देखिए, मैं कहूँगी जो मैं करती हूँ, राइट, तो मैं फ़ैशन और ट्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं चलती। मुझे जो पसंद आए, जो अच्छा लगे, मैं वो पहनती हूँ। बहुत बार लोगों का एक है कि अगर आपने कोई ड्रेस पहनी हो या कोई भी कॉस्ट्यूम पहना हो तो उसको रिपीट नहीं किया जाता। मेरे पास ढेरों ऐसे कपड़े हैं जो मैं बहुत बार पहनती हूँ और पसंद की, क्योंकि अगर आपको एक चीज़ पसंद है तभी आप लेते हो, है ना, तभी आप ख़रीदते हो, तो उसे सिर्फ एक बार पहनने के लिए थोड़ी हम ख़रीदते हैं। तो मैं पहनती रहती हूँ, मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।